Friends, today we will talk about the era of Jacobin, means Jacobin age. Jacobin age play a very significant role in the development of the English literature in the history of British. Friends, this era start from 1603 to 1625. Eminent writer of during this period was the Christopher Marlowe and William Shakespeare, and various other writers copied William Shakespeare and Christopher Marlowe. And the main theme of the era of these dramatists are tragedies, revenge play, and love and betrayal. Many writer except the Christopher Marlowe and William Shakespeare also wrote several works in this time, and one very famous name came in my mind, that is the Thomas Dekker. Friends, John Haywood is also was also belong to this time period, and it is believed that he had written almost 200 plays, and the name of the some plays of his is Rape of Lucas, Appius and Virginia, and the Captives. These plays were categorized in the different in the different levels, such as all I have told you that all three play, they were categorized in the classical play. But besides the classical play, Thomas Haywood also written Haywood also wrote some historic play, some domestic drama and realist plays. One other name also here very important, and that is John Webster. John Webster used to write the melodrama at that time. His one famous work is the Duchess of Malfi, which is in the syllabus of MA first year. Okay, and now one his work is The White Devil. Both these works are melodrama. Melodrama means that is a type of tragedy in which there is a lot of bloodshed happens in the play. And one more, these things I talk about these are the things which I talk about the drama. Now, what is the condition of the prose at that time? My dear friends, prose and essay were very important at that time. One very famous name of the essay writer of Jacobin era is the Francis Bacon. His time period was 1561 to 1625. He was much influenced by the French writer Montaigne. His famous works are Advancement of Learning, Novum Organum, and New Atlantis. New Atlantis. Now, besides all three works, he had also written of studies, of friendship, of revenge. Almost there is one symbol to recognize his plays, and that is of. Most of his plays starts with the word of. Okay, and now what was the condition of the poetry during the time of Jacobin era? Dear friends, we have heard that the metaphysical poets such as the John Donne, one of the name which came in the existence and that is John Donne. He used to write the metaphysical poetry during his time. What is metaphysical poetry? One question arises in our mind, that what is metaphysical poetry? Friends, metaphysical poetries are the poetries in which conceit images and abstracts which were very abstracts, and the comparison between the very strange thing have mentioned in these type of poetries. Means we can say that the mixture of wit and seriousness. The works of John Donne, we should also know the works of John Donne, and that is the canonization and valediction means ki the valediction, forbidding mourning, and the expiration uh, and here is also is one type of poetry which is very famous, that is the Spenserian poetry. Edmund Spenser was written a poem, and the name of that poem was a fairy queen, which was published in 1609. It's also important important works of this period. Thank you.